Social media is a fucking circus with filters and flexing, fake smiles and overall fake lives. They rent or get cars on credit, fake vacations on pay monthly, pose next to money or get credit cards for material that isn't theirs or isn't paid in full, to impress people that wouldn't piss on them if they were on fire. Meanwhile, real life is calling, your parents are aging, your body is decaying and your dreams are gathering dust, and life can't be rewinded. Put the phone down. No one cares how shit hot your coffee is, or how fancy your cocktail is. Nobody really gives a shit when they put the phone down about your life. Go and build your real life, stack your money and good memories, and protect your peace. Live a life so real that it doesn't need to be posted online to be validated. You weren't born to scroll, you were born to live life to the fullest, with those you actually love most in this world. Give away none of your time online. Don't reply to the DMs from online strangers. Let the online comments bother you when who really sits at your table. If they don't have your WhatsApp number or your phone number, then there's a reason for that. If they're not financing, fucking or feeding you, or doing it with you, then forget they exist online. In person, give people your time. Reach out to the people who reach out to you in a deep way. But online, the majority is a fucking circus, and you know it. You've got this, bro. I'm rooting for you. Make the rest of your life the best of your life.